today's breakfast? My favorite question.
Actually, we don't cook our breakfast. We always have our brunch. It's not a lunch kind of thing. It's not a breakfast kind of
Yes,
thing.
you
We
told
always
me.
have our
You
brunch.
told me earlier too. So
Yeah,
you have your brunch, no? Or you?
yeah. I
So what?
have. I had.
Okay, what was it?
And today I cooked the cauliflower and potatoes,
Okay.
vegetable and rice and chapati
Okay. So which type of food you like? Spicy or simple without spices?
without spices.
Okay, fine. So which is your
Yeah,
favorite dish?
bhindi.
Okay. Okay.
Even yesterday I cooked bhindi. I had made.
My son also loves bhindi. He's like all day, like every time in his tiffin, he wants bhindi or potato chips or paneer bhurji. That's it. He only eats these kind of stuff. But bhindi is his always like all-time favorite sabji. Okay. So anything else?
Earlier, I used to just like a person who is a picky eater. Just like I don't want to eat
Anything like you are
pumpkin,
choosy.
just like
Okay.
pumpkin and bottle gourd. I used to don't I didn't used to like that kind of vegetable. But since when I have started cooking these kind of stuff by myself, so I'm feeling so interested in having that because
Mm.
I know that now how much effort I am
Yes.
putting in order to cook them.
It happens actually because when I recall my childhood days, we were like, oh my God, I just think how my mother managed because I have two siblings. So my mother used to cook our favorite stuff. Still, we were like, okay, ye nahi khana, wo nahi khana. But now when I cook myself, then I realize it is really, really hard task to cook
Yes,
everyone's favorite dish in your
and
family.
just like my husband, how much effort I put in order to cook food, but hardly he say, yeah, today it's a very delicious food. Hardly he says.
Okay. So I have not this problem with my husband because he is a defense personnel. So I guess if you yes, I am a wife of a soldier. So he eats anything with all the taste. He never picks any hole in
And
my.
now it's and you know now it's become my habit daily while having food. I in the morning and the afternoon or in the evening daily I ask, food is okay, vegetable is
Yes.
delicious or not.
It happens because sometimes I used to do this like if I cook something special, so I'm always like okay, I am waiting for his compliments, and when he's done with his food, then I have to ask, did you like vegetable today? I made something special for you, so you should at least give me a compliment. So it's like you always
Yeah,
cook delicious, you always cook delicious. It's not a new
but
thing for me.
my husband he always says bad thing about my food sometimes. Yeah, everything is okay, but salt it little bit. It yeah,
Okay.
you have to add a little bit more salt. Or sometimes the spices are not okay. Means it's too spicy food. Because I always prefer green chilies. I don't use powder
That
chili and red chilies.
that is
I
good
always
actually. Yes,
yeah
we should not use because it is harmful for our liver and digestion system. Even I don't prefer any lal mirch or Kashmiri mirch kind of stuff. Occasionally, when we have some function, then we have to use these kind of spices, but not for regular meal. I only use simple homemade masalas and green chili only.
yes. And even the about the dhania, just like coriander. So we always grow coriander in our
Yes.
farm for a year, and we then save it for a year.
Okay, that's very
And
nice.
even the turmeric also.
In our village also, all these turmeric and all the green vegetables they grow themselves. And
Yes.
yesterday when I was talking to my mother-in-law, so she was telling me that at home they have so many lokis, bottle guards there. So she was like ki, how she wants to send us, but there is no scope.
Okay.
So she was like that we have so many lokis here and I can't send you. So she was feeling bad, so I told her, okay, don't worry, we'll visit home very soon.